Are you searching for the best electric citrus juicer? You are in the right place for getting the valuable information on the best electric citrus juicer. We recommended the top 5 best electric citrus juicer in this video. All of them are maintaining quality. If you want to buy the best electric citrus juicer, we think the list will be very helpful to you. Number 1. Treves CS1000 Electric Citrus Juicer. This electric citrus juicer utilizes a 50-watt motor, which is not the strongest one out of them. Fortunately, that only means it will take a bit more time to juice fruits. The results are impressive, and the product does an excellent job of collecting pulps. You can activate the juicer with the power of a simple touch, and the cord makes the entire experience more comfortable. You expect an electric juicer to be noisy, but the product is a pretty quiet. If you needed a reliable juicer to use at home, it can meet your expectations. Featuring a powerful 50-watt motor, it provides quick extractions and quiet operation. Squeeze refreshing juice from orange, grapefruits, lemons and lime for yourself and your entire family with ease. Number 2. Vinci Hands-Free Electric Citrus Juicer. This is a hands-free device that comes with a secure top and other features to keep the juice from slipping out. While it will not handle plenty of juicing at a go, it is still built steady enough for average juicing. The model comes in a stylish and compact form and will reduce the amount of mess made while juicing. The press automatically removes juice. It sports a trendy chrome base and a black top corner. Using the model is straightforward and easy. Once you place the cut of fruits on the rimmer, you close the top and press the juice button. That is all the need to your extracting juice from the fruits. Apart from that, it comes with a strainer and removes pulps and seeds from the juice. It is quite fast and can extract juice in just 10 seconds. It is easy to clean and dishwash yourself. Number 3. Sakua Slow Masticating Juicers. This electric citrus juicer press is unique in that it has both a juicing container built into the machine as well as a spout of pouring. It comes with dual juicer cone, one the lemon and limes and the large one the orange and grapefruits. The juicer cone next for easy storage. It also has a drip-free metal spout to prevent the juice from slipping onto your countertop. However, it is not juicing multiple citrus fruits at one time. It tends to overheat, then won't work again until it has allowed to cool for 10 to 20 minutes. The juicer is also large and will take a great deal for countertop space. Though the majority of the unit is made of stainless steel, there are few plastic parts which make the durability questionable. Number 4. Gourmia GM-Z9970 Lush Citrus Juicer. This tall commercial grade citrus juicer showcases a sleek design that complements your kitchen space and interiors. While it is engineered with an understandable design and optimum height that can be fit in the most kitchen cabinets, Gourmia keeps its classic and sophisticated with the simple mechanism. It is crafted with an arm press that should be pressed down to effectively squeeze the fruits and extract all the nutrient juices. It is streamlined with a large cone and can be accommodate whole citrus fruits and even the large ones such as grapefruits. If you fond of orange or lemons, the juicer will do the job for you. When you are juicing, you won't also have to worry about the machine's rubbing. You can keep it firm and secure all the suction cup with the storage grips at the bottom. Made of the stainless steel materials and cast iron handle, you can indulge in fresh citrus juice for the many years to come.